everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, it's going to be a simple how-to video in today's video. So let's go ahead and jump in the back of this e39. Forgive me, it's a little dirty, so yeah, but there's a lot of work to do with this e39. A lot of videos coming up here. You can see right there where it's missing a cup holder, and we'll eventually be getting that and replacing it. And I need to do a little more detailing in this car, so there might be a video about that as well, on the detailing, like a full detail on this car. If I decide to do it, it's probably going to be sped up, of course, with music. And if you would like to check that out, it'll be in a future video. And like I said, definitely there's going to be a lot of, you know, things that need to be upgraded in this car. A lot of little minor things, nothing too big. And mechanically wise, yes. And I will also be making a video on this seat right here. So now let's go ahead and start with the removal of these right here. And these are your pillars. Like you see, these are pretty beat up. They could use a painting. This is a how-to of how to remove these pillars. So what you do have to do, and me, I'm just gonna do it like this. So all we're gonna do is go ahead and get this window down, roll it down. Also, I do want to mention that you could go ahead and use a trim tool, and I have this one, the 4140, or I'll leave another one linked down below that's a little cheaper and still does the same thing. But you know, once you get to putting this window down, then you can use this tool to pry this, just like that, to pry it off. All right, so the window is rolled down, and now in order to get to the screws that are in here, all you have to do is pull this back a little bit to reveal this metal right here. So let me go ahead and do it on this side. Now, if you want to go ahead and remove the door panel, you can, but you don't need to. So all you really need to do is get this window as low as possible, and then from there you can see there's going to be Phillips. It's a Phillips screw. So all you would do is just pull this back. Let me show you guys here. So all you have to do is pull this whole gasket back here, and there you go. There you have it. And there's going to be another one just down there. So it's going to be down there, in there. It's just focusing. So there you go. There you see the other Phillips screw, and there is one more up here. So there's 3 total, and that's all you have to do. Just pull this back. You would pull this back, this trim right here around the door, and you don't need to do all of it. Just kind of pull this a little bit, and then you can get to both, and it's going to be the same thing for both doors. Okay, and yeah, that concludes today's video. That's it's gonna be a simple, you know, project. I would say the thing that's going to take the most is if you go ahead and repaint them. That is probably what's going to take you longer due to the waiting process. But that is all for today. If you would like to see more videos on this, hit the subscribe button, because I will be bringing these back to their former glory, and we do have quite a few BMWs, so stay tuned for that. And make sure you hit the bell button, because I will be getting on a schedule as well, Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. So with that being said, that is all for today's video. If you did like I said again, hit the like, share, subscribe button, and that notification bell button, because there will be more videos on that BMW, and then probably on some other ones. I've just been very busy with life and you know, work stuff. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it. I will be getting a schedule set, like Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I think, where I will have an upload at 12 p.m. Central Time. So some of the stuff you're gonna see is already old, but that was filmed earlier in the year. So anyway, with that being said, guys, I'll see you on the next one.